In the vast, expansive of life's grand stage, a quest begins. Chapter and page for a heart that beats in sync with mine, a partner true through space and time. Amidst the crowd, a sea of faces in the bustling towns, in quiet places, I seek a soul both kind and wise, with a spark of love within their eyes, through winding roads and paths unknown, where dreams are whispered, seeds are sown. I wander on, both near and far, guided by a wish upon a chapter in moments of doubt, when shadows fall. I hear love's distant, hopeful call, for somewhere out there waits a heart destined match life's counterpart. We will share the dawn, the dusk, the night, in laughter's glow and sorrow's light. Together, hand in hand, we will stand, two souls as one across the land. No perfect mold, no flawless guise, just honesty behind the eyes, with kindness, trust, and gentle care. We will build a world beyond compare. So here I am, with open heart, on life's great journey, playing my part, believing that the fates elegant to bring your soul and join with mine in time. I know we will surely meet in crowded hall or quiet street. Until that day, I will live and dream of the life we will share, our unified theme. For in this quest, the paths may veer, the hope of you remains so near, and when at last our hands entwine, I will know I have found my heart's design. Through endless days and starry nights, I walk the road of life's delights, seeking a soul to call my own, a love that blooms, a seed that sown in crowded rooms and silent spaces. I look for signs, for hiding traces of someone who will understand the depths of me, and take my hand. With every sunrise, hope ignites a beacon in the darkest nights. Far somewhere out there beats a heart that's meant for me, my counterpart. I dream of laughter, shared and bright, of whispered words in the soft twilight, of building dreams, both big and small, and facing life together. All we will dance through seasons come what may. I rain and sun in work and play with trust and care. Our bond will grow a love that time will surely show. No quest for perfect, but for real, for flaws that make our love ideal, for honesty in every glance, for courage in love's tender dance. So here I am with arms wide open, with dreams alive, with faith unbroken, believing in the fates above to guide me to your waiting love. I, in serendipity, sweet chance, in every fleeting, hopeful glance, I trust the journey winding long will lead me to where I belong, and when at least our eyes do meet in a moment pure and sweet, we will know the search has reached its end. In love's embrace, my heart's true friend,